That's right, it's me, Gatai's Fishing Beauty. Finally, we can go into the tent. How about it? -2 degrees. The first baby of today has arrived. Number 2. Next, please enjoy immersive fishing.
Goodbye.